Hey, what's going on YouTube? Sorry for all the environment noise. Everyone decided to mow their grass right now while I was making this video. But anyway, today we're going to be installing a JDM front grille for a 2015 WRX. Got it right here. This bad boy was like $90 or $80 off of a kid locally that was parting out. This thing looks brand new, so pretty excited about that. So we're going to go over the differences between the ones that come on the car, which you probably already know because you have one, and this one, and then I'm going to show you how to install that, and yeah, we're going to get right into it. Okay, so first things first is this is the stock grille that comes on everybody's car. You will see that it has slats at the top right there, followed by honeycombs down below. The JDM one has all honeycombs everywhere. So let's get up a little closer here. You'll see the top is the slats like I was talking about right here, and then honeycombs below, and then the JDM one is all honeycombs everywhere, which is way nicer looking. And my honeycombs are like matte. They might have been glossy at the time, but these ones are very shiny, as you can see right here. They're very shiny, very nice gloss black. So I'm pretty excited to install this and see what happens and get another white emblem here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pop the hood, as you can see I already did, and then we're going to take the front bumper off, and then we're going to get this bad boy out of there. Okay, so next we're going to remove 6 bolts. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And then the clips that are on here as well. And then we're going to take this black part out, and then we're going to go below, and then we're going to do the sides, and then the bumper can come off. These bolts are 10mm, just like always. Pretty much everything on this car is a 10mm, so you'll need a 10 for this and a screwdriver or something for those. Okay, once you remove all those bolts and clips, some of them might be difficult, like this one. It stayed in the thing, so I just kind of pulled and it came out of the bumper but stayed in the black thing. But anyway, you just take this off, and then that's all that holds the top part on, as you can see. Really flexible. So now we're going to move to the bottom, and then we're going to do the sides, and then this will be able to come off completely. Okay, so we're underneath the car. There's 9 clips down here, one right here, one in the middle, one right here, 1, 2 right here on this flapper, and the third one for that is back here by the wheel. And then the same thing going the other way, right here, 2 here on this flap, and then 1 hiding right there. There should be a total of 9 of them. Take all 9 of those out, and then we'll be good on the bottom. Okay, once you have all 9 clips removed from the bottom, you're going to go to one side, either the passenger side or the driver's side, whichever side you want to start on. Turn your wheel, and then you're going to come down here, and you're going to find these. Hold on. You're going to find this clip right here. Then be this one, and there's one right inside. Remove both of those on both sides, and then this should be good to come off. Okay, so once you've removed those 2 clips, just go over here on the side and just pull, and this should pop off. Now what I'm going to suggest from here is either go in through here and remove the bulb for your fog light, or come down below, since we've removed the clips holding the flap in, and disconnect your fog lights if you have them, because if you're up as high as me off the ground, this bumper is going to be a pain to take off with these still connected. So go ahead and disconnect your fog lights now, and then we'll pull the bumper off and it'll be so much easier. Okay, if you followed all my steps so far, taking the bolts out on the top, clips down below, 2 on the sides, and unhooking your fog light and turn signal. I forgot to mention turn signal, but make sure you get the turn signal too. This bumper should just come off, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once you've removed your bumper like so, there's going to be, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips that hold this grill in place. So we're gonna go ahead and take those screws out and then remove the clips, and then hopefully this grill should just push forward, and we're gonna take it out and put the new one in. Okay, so it was just that easy. You remove those 8 screws and you push the tabs in right here. You push this middle in on all of these, and then you push the grill forward like I just did. So now we're gonna go ahead and move this one out of the side, get the new one, put it in exactly the same way, put everything back together, and we'll be done. Just like that, we have a brand new front grille with a brand new look to the car. I like it already. I'm super pumped to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and put this bumper back on. Car's a little bit dirty, but man, would you look at the difference. That looks so good compared to the stock one. This is a nice simple mod that you guys can grab if you want to change the front end of your car. It's really slight, but man, does it make a big difference. Especially if you have an area that has a lot of other stock vehicles. This is a good way to make yourself stand out. Okay, so once you've put in all your bolts back in on top, and all the clips down below and the 2 on the side, you should check to see if your fog lights work like me, and then check your turn signals, make sure you plug them back in correctly. If you would like to have your fog lights be on all by themselves like mine are currently, follow my link to my videos where I have a demonstration on how to disable the high beam DRL. And then I also have a video of how to make the fog lights stay on with your high beams. So check those other videos out if you guys are interested in doing that. Well, that's it, guys. That's how you install your JDM front grille. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me. If you'd like to know where you can buy this, Subi Speed has them along with a lot of other places. Make sure you keep your eye out for other people that have also had them and parting out. Maybe you can get a sweet deal like I did. It's a really cool way to change the front of your car, make you stand out a little bit, and it just adds a little extra, you know, if you're missing something. Anybody that stayed this long, I want to let you guys know that next Wednesday, the 30th, I have a dyno day set up. So hopefully this week I'll be able to pump out some more videos for you guys. I'm getting some TVG deletes, EGR deletes, and an electronic boost controller, so hopefully I can make videos on how to install those. And I'm gonna have a base map that's sent to me I'm going to 6-Star Performance down in Pittsburgh, where JR will be tuning this car. So hopefully I can make a video on that. And then when I actually get to the dyno, I'll hopefully have a video of that as well. So thank you everyone for getting me this far. We just got over 50 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. So again, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you know someone that needs help with this mod, make sure to give them a share, copy the link, send it to them, do whatever you gotta do. This is Fogel. I'll see you guys in the next one.
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Got it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see